Few vehicles in Volkswagen's current lineup are as divisive among the car and driver staff as the Golf R. Even a casual mention risks stirring the office pundits, triggering impromptu sermons dissecting the Golf R's price versus performance statistics and quoting heavily from the holy book of the Golf GTI, a deity around these parts. It's not that the R's detractors don't recognize its sublime blend of performance, comfort, and utility. After all, collectively, these same folks continue to vote the Golf R onto our 10 best cars list along with the rest of the Golf lineup, but at $40,635, $41,735 with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, its critics say the Golf R simply doesn't offer the same bang for the buck as the GTI, which starts at $27,265. Equally concerning to some is that it basically looks like a regular old Golf. If you're going to cross the $40,000 threshold, they reason, why not move into a badge that carries more cachet? The $44,625 Audi S3 has the same engine, for instance. What these office cubicle crusaders fail to grasp is that a certain type of individual is willing to pay for the elevated level of confidence that comes with flying under the radar. Speak softly and carry a big stick, as Theodore Roosevelt used to say. Aficionados of Boeing extroverts such as the Honda Civic Type R and the Subaru WRX-T will never cotton to the Golf R, which in terms of exterior braggadocio barely manages a whisper. Sure, it sits 0.2 inch lower than the GTI and sports a small roundup of R-exclusive signifiers, R-specific front bumper, side skirts, rear diffuser, and spoiler, quad chrome exhaust tips, R badges on the front fenders, black painted mirror caps, and standard 19-inch English town wheels, but none of these details shout for attention. The punk kid sitting next to you at the light in the Civic with a fart can exhaust will never know what happened. The metaphorical big stick here is the Golf R's turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 and standard all-wheel drive. Rated at 292 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque, the Golf R engine outguns the GTI's by 72 ponies and 22 lb-ft. A 6-speed manual transmission dispenses torque via Volkswagen's 4-motion all-wheel drive system. Although essentially the same EA888 2.0-liter that is fitted to the GTI, the version in the Golf R has been thoroughly massaged and features reworked or entirely new components including the cylinder head, exhaust valves, valve seats and springs, pistons, fuel injection system, and turbocharger. A trip to our testing facility confirmed what we already suspected: the Golf R is one of the quickest hatches on the market. Switching to race on the driving mode selector, normal, individual.